This is a good can of oil. It sure is. Oh, come on. Does anyone know the cure for hiccups? I do. All right, Violet, you just gotta hold your breath, like this. Okay, Harrison. Oh. You should try this cure, Violet. What's in it, Richard? You don't want to know. Whoa. Boo! Ah! Hooray! Oh, man. You should try stopping the hiccups. You need a drink of water, Violet. Isn't that going to destroy my system? You got to hang upside down. I'm gonna need a crane. Everyone, enough. I got this. My hiccups are gone. Thanks, Crystal. Don't worry, Valerie. I'll cure you. Kazumi, stay away. Come on, it's just a kiss.